Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food.
For today's video, we're going to bake ube bars with desiccated coconut. For sweet bread, we need half a cup evaporated milk, 1/3 cup butter, half a cup of sugar. You may reduce the sugar if you like, half a tablespoon baking powder, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 7 inches baking pan with wax paper, measuring cup and spoon, and silicone spatula. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and sugar. Make well at the center. Add the milk and butter. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature. Knead the dough until it is not sticky to your hands and to your bowl or board. Kneading is the process of mixing the dough until it becomes elastic and smooth. Let it rest for 5 minutes or just rest it while waiting for your oven to be preheated. Place your bread dough to your 7 inches baking pan. Flatten the surface of the bread using your fingers or a small rolling pin. Bake it for 20 minutes or until your fork, toothpick, cake tester comes out clean. For ube sweet sauce and coating, we need bread, 1/4 cup ube flavored condensed milk, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, mixing bowl, 3/4 cups desiccated coconut, tongs, measuring cups, pan, and silicone wire whisk. Simmer your evaporated milk and ube condensed milk in a pan. Simmer for a few minutes or until you see a light steam smoke from the milk. Let it cool in a cooling rack. Slice your bread. You can make 8 to 16 slices. Dip the slices of bread to your milk mixture and then roll it and cover it with desiccated coconut. Repeat the same process until your breads are covered with ube and desiccated coconut. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Our finished product, Ube Bars with desiccated coconut.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.